Hi everyone, it's Kindersurpriselover99. I'm here to review this Kinder Surprise egg. It's Kinder Surprise's 50th birthday. Alright, let's get down to it. I can't wait to eat all this lovely, delicious chocolate. But of course what I'm mostly excited about is the little toy inside. So this is for the Kinder Surprise's 50th birthday. And every third egg will have a little special minion, and everyone knows I love the minions. So now, well, I'm going to be unwrapping this egg. I don't know what I would want the most, because gosh darn, I really love the minions. Banana! My favorite minion is the one with the telephone. But I already have that one. Oh, here we go. It's a favorite minion. What's it gonna be? It's a safari hat minion. Oh, I can't wait. Do his eyes pop out? Oh, I love this minion. This is my 17th one. This is my previous one. This one has the exact same color scheme. It's not a metallic. So I will just put it with all the other minions I have. Banana! Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe.
Poopies! Welcome to the world of Kerplopolis, where it's cool to be number 2. Unroll the TP to discover which poopies are hidden inside. Poochie, TP, Dumpling, and Tooth Fairy. Over 36 to collect, including the ultra rare, silent but deadly. Which ones will you find? You can squish them, stretch them, trade and collect them. Flush your poopies and watch them fly. Get the party started with Series 1 of the Poopies, plopping into a store near you. Each sold separately.
99. Alright, have a lovely evening. See you all tonight. Bye guys.